1989 K5 Chevrolet square body Blazer. This truck was purchased local by one of our customers with intent for his son to drive it. And turns out by the time he was done, it was a little bit too much truck for his son, going to the school he was going to and the driving conditions where they live out off the beaten path. So decided to get him something more normal and stock. Nevertheless, he bought this truck, which was extremely clean, and commenced to doing a very nice restoration. He actually owns a body and paint restoration shop, so no stranger to the work that needed to be done. The truck's not built to show quality, but it is very solid. Lifted about 4 inches, 35-inch tires that are brand new, BF Goodrich's. Fresh shocks, steering stabilizer, steering arm. Rear springs were replaced as well. Most people go cheap and just do a block. Does have a Flowmaster muffler. And you can see the undercarriage. The areas that are normally rotten off because they held dirt and moisture are not bad on this truck. Couple little paint imperfections right there, very minor. What appears to be a stock dash that is not cracked. Headliner's in good shape, aftermarket stereo. 6x9s in the doors, 6x9s in the back. He did not paint the door jambs, which shows that it was original silver, so that's not bad. Rocker panels look good, frame looks good, floor pans look good. Underneath the carpet it was Line-X'd because he wanted to keep the top off and not have to worry about rotting the floor out. It is a removable top on this. Bottom of the tailgate is pretty solid. Fuel injected 5.7 engine. Air conditioning that does work. You see it dripping on the ground right there. Completely non-messed with under the hood. Factory air filter, factory fuel injection, throttle body you would call it. Manifolds are original. No paint work on the frame, and you can see it's original and fine. Serpentine belt, factory 5.7. Just a good solid driver, not Barrett Jackson show quality, but if you rolled up at a car show or a cruising with this truck, you'd get some good attention. Not to mention a great beach vehicle. Tires up, runs great. AC's cold. Still has the overdrive transmission. Speedometer actually works. Most of the time they're broke. Gauges actually work. On a hot 90-degree day like today, nice to have some functioning AC. If you got any questions, give us a call or jump on our website. Very unusual for us to find these square body classic K5s. You'll run across these and the pickups quite often though. 804-271-0030 or check the website Davis4x4.com. That's Davis4x4.com. Give us a call or shoot us an email anytime. Thank you.